Good morning, folks. It's your boy, Destination Trucker, back with another video. I'm off to work this morning. It is, what did I unlock that? It is 6:30 in the morning, and I'm heading to work. Do I know where I'm going yet this morning? No, not sure. But we'll figure that out soon here. Okay. All right. Truck. All right. Okay, folks. So this morning, I'm not sure exactly where I'm going. Work called me yesterday. Said, come in, we'll load you in the yard, and we'll send you out to get loaded to go somewhere. And I'm not sure exactly where I'm getting loaded, or where I'm getting loaded, where I'm going. Sorry. Jeez, get it right. I'm not sure exactly where I'm going. I just know that I'm taking a load from our yard out to the other yard again today, and then I'm heading somewhere. Let's turn that cold air down. It is not very warm out this morning. It is 10 degrees this morning, folks. That's probably, I don't know, 10 degrees, probably about 45 Fahrenheit, I guess. If I was to guess, I think that's what it's about. Something like that. Not extremely warm. So, anyways, that's that. I'm gonna head to work here. I gotta get my coffee first thing. Gotta have my coffee in the morning, as you all know. That's how I start my day, is a coffee. I'm not much of a breakfast person, as you must know by now. I don't eat much breakfast, but I do drink coffee. I was never a big eater. My parents always picked on me because when I did eat, well, not my parents, my brothers, they always picked on me when I did eat because I would always eat a lot when I did eat. But I'm not a big eater. Like, I don't, like, you know, if I was to eat right now, I probably wouldn't eat until supper time. You know, like, that's the way it is, right? Like, my body, I do not eat a lot. Anyways, folks, I'm gonna head get a coffee here. We'll see you soon. Alright, folks, so I got my coffee this morning. Of course, just like any other day, right? There's gonna be an issue with Tim Hortons and their workers again, you know, like, I go there every day, folks, and you most of the time hear me order my coffee. It is an extra large, triple. I do never ever change my coffee, and it's always the same. Even in the middle of the day, I will get the extra large. Even if I don't drink it, I will get it, right? Of course, today I ordered, they give me a medium. Why on earth would you give me a medium coffee? Like, how do you get extra large out of a medium? Right? Like, anyways, I said, so like I said, they freaked up on my coffee, right? And I basically made the drive-through lineups, just wait, because it's not my fault, right? My English is pure. Can't get any more pure than that, so. Anyways, so I'm on my way to work now. Like I said earlier, I'm not sure exactly where I'm going. We'll find out as soon as I get there. I'll go grab a dispatch sheet. I gotta check my oil. Today is the day I need to check my oil. Even though it's just had a service done. I drove it for about a week, so after the service, so it needs an oil check. It shouldn't be down. When I get my services done, it's pretty good. It usually starts acting up about 3 weeks after the service is done. The oil starts, I think it like burns away, right? I think that's what happens because it doesn't leak. So, yeah, it's usually about 3 weeks after the service. So we'll check that today anyways, just to make sure. I don't, even if it is down a little bit, I don't put it in. I like to wait until it's about half on the dipstick, and then I know it's about 5 liters, 4 to 5 liters to put in it. That way I don't overfill it. I kind of like to be safe and keep it that way. I mean, 5 liters out of a truck, out of a diesel tractor trailer unit of oil is not a lot, folks. I mean, they take I think it's something like 30 liters or something like that, I think, or I don't know. They take a shitload of oil. I'm not exactly sure how many liters. I'd have to ask the mechanics, but whatever, it don't matter. I know it's a lot. Like 5 liters, missing 5 liters is frig all to a truck. So anyways, with that said, let's get to the yard and we will see you there. Alright folks, so I made it to the yard. Went in to check for paperwork. There was no paperwork, so I forgot. They don't usually put paperwork in my box until I'm loaded with the load out of the yard here. Then they give me paperwork for the load, and with the load then I'm going to go reload. So with that, alright folks, so we just made it out to the yard. Just waiting to find out where we're gonna offload me to get rid of this pipe. I'll give you a little show here. As you can see, folks, there you have it. There's what I got on. Not much, a little bit. Gonna take that there. We're gonna get rid of it, and then I'm gonna get reloaded. So we'll see you in a little bit. Alright folks, so I'm all loaded up. I have to do a check here. I gotta check this gauge, see what I'm running at. Okay, so my load is light. It's sitting about 55 here. I'll show you there. There you can see yourself. It's sitting about 55, 57, somewhere around there. So I was looking at my gauge on my truck, and I'm like, geez, it's sitting at 50. And I'm thinking, is the load heavy? Is it heavy in the rear? Or what's going on here? Because usually when we get loaded up pretty heavy, right? But no, this load ain't too bad. As you can see, folks, I got my straps on. I got a belly wrap there on the top tier. A couple more straps along here. A couple more straps. Another belly wrap right there. A couple more straps to hold this load down, to make it good. I'll hit you on the road here, and we'll see us in a little bit. Alright folks, so I'm going up in the woods here now. Road's it's quite a climb. Truck is working today. It is trying to climb this hill. I'm going through some gears. As you can see folks, I'll give you a quick little look here. You can see there, I'm still climbing, but the truck is holding up. The truck is staying in a high rev for me to keep me going up the hill. Let's keep going. Alright folks, so I just got offloaded and got reloaded, and I got a backhaul here that's got to go back to the yard. I think they're going to get someone else to take it back. I don't know yet for sure, but I'll find out here in a minute. Man, is it warm today. It is 90 Fahrenheit, 32 degrees out. It is warm today. Like we've been dealing with like a cold temperature where it's been like, you know, like 40 or 60 Fahrenheit or 50 Fahrenheit, something like that. I don't know. 10 degrees, folks. We were dealing with like 10 degrees. Cold weather, rain, you know, it was just cold. But holy man, is it warm today. I'm sweating here. My bald head is dripping sweat. Anyways, folks, I'm going to keep going here. See you when I get back to the yard. Okay folks, so back to the yard. It's been quite a day. Just gotta go drop some paperwork off in the office here. So, alright. So we're just gonna stick that in there. Put a staple on it. Throw it up in the box. Oh, we got some paperwork here for me for a load tomorrow. Perfect. There's a few of us going, eh? Well, just looking at that, folks. Just trying to figure out what my plans are for tomorrow there. So, we're gonna go perk this here. I'm gonna stay hooked to it. And tomorrow we are going to switch this over to another trailer. We're gonna switch this over to another trailer, folks, and I'll deliver it tomorrow before I go load. The reason why is because this trailer is a rented trailer, So we excuse me. This is a rented trailer, so we won't be fixing it, right? We'll send it back to the rental company. They'll fix it themselves, and away we go. And that's the way that works, right? So yeah. I'm almost thinking the best thing to do is park right beside that trailer. And then maybe I can just swap right over to that trailer, take that trailer tomorrow. That's the best bet. So what I'm going to do is go down here, pull a U-E and pull up alongside that other trailer, and that's where I'm going to park her. And she'll stay there for the night. And then, like I said, tomorrow we'll switch it over. Tomorrow we'll switch it over and deliver it. There, change this. Just give me a second here, folks. I'm just doing, as you can see, I hit post trip. I guess it's showing my name there too, but anyways, that's not very smart of me to do that. Anyways, whatever, don't matter. Yeah, that's my name. Big deal. So anyways, folks, if you like this video, give it a thumbs up. If you haven't subscribed yet, think about subscribing and turn on post notifications so you can see all my videos and upcoming videos. And have a good night.